Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an exponent question. So they've asked us to complete open brackets minus 3x squared, minus 3xy squared, and then a square on the outside of the brackets. What do we do here? What is our rule? So I'm going to do a quick recap of the rule here, and you'd probably see it before. It's something along the lines of x, y to the n, okay? And we know that the answer to that is going to be x to the n, y to the n. What did we do? Well, we know there's a 1 here and a 1 here, and essentially it's like the distributive law where we times the n by each of the exponents on the inside of the bracket. So that's a quick recap of the law. So now let's apply that law to our question. All right, so we've got that. Okay, now let's have a look. We want to take, I'm going to change my pen color. We want to take and we want to times each of the exponents by the exponent on the outside, right? So let's do that. So we've got minus 3 squared. Now remember, when we've got minus 3 squared, it means minus 3 times minus 3. So the double negative become a positive, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. Then x to the 1, obviously that becomes x squared. And then we've got y squared, so the 2 times 2 gives us 4. So that's going to give us y to the 4. And that's going to be the right answer. So in this case, it's going to be C. Try not to get confused with this negative. All right, do you see how they've deliberately included the negative? So you have to know that rule. Because it's inside the bracket, this becomes a double negative, which then leads it to being a positive answer. Very important that you remember that. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Head over to our website if you've got some more questions that you'd like answered. If you can't find a video, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.